What is going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. This is December 31st. And to close out the year, we are closing it out in the best way possible. We're going to be doing an interior detail on this 2024 Lexus. It's a beautiful, beautiful vehicle. This vehicle had just a minor incident. A customer spilled some latte in her front passenger seat. It needs to get taken care of, right? Now, most likely, my guess is the customer maybe took it to get detailed prior, because I can't find the spill. I do see some areas, right? But you're about to see, obviously, you kind of saw a little bit already on how this interior looks. This thing is what I call immaculate, in amazing condition, well-maintained vehicle. Customer has no pets, no kids, just her. So it matches. This thing is clean, right? But on today's video, we're going to be doing a full interior detail as far as steam cleaning all the interior. We're going to clean the leather. We're going to be cleaning the perforated seats, especially on the passenger side where the spill happened. It's also going to get a exterior wash, wheels clean, tires dressed. So without further ado, let's get going. Ow. I figured a way on how I can record and I can still listen to my music. I'm into a little bit of everything. EDM, reggaeton. I listen to everything. My playlist is all over. But anyways, sorry about that. We're gonna begin this project, or the tools we're gonna be using today. We're going with the Chief Steamer. Mostly it's gonna be the main ingredient because this vehicle is not dirty. We're going with the proper car care, I think it's brush. This one's from Thor, from the House of Rags. We're going with a Scrub Me Mo Daddy scrub pad from Mo Nation. I don't know what the name of it is, but, and we're gonna go with Detail Co. Sword interior cleaner. So we're gonna spray our pad. Chiquitita. It's gonna be a great day, guys. It's gonna be a good day. I usually tend to start from the center console. Clean my cup holders, this area here. Open this, blow this out. Has a little bit of dirt. Clean all this infotainment system, steering wheel. We'll go to our seats as always, and then our door panels. So perfect. This one wasn't really dirty, but we're gonna go ahead and it's always important when you clean cup holders, put a towel so that all the residue and all the water can just kind of stay inside. Recently, I had a detailer on Instagram reach out to me by iDetailJ, and he sent me this kit. And I gotta say, this kit's about $40, but in my opinion has everything. I took only 2 items out that I feel like, for me, it's not something that I would need. But it comes with a plastic razor blade, and also he sent some extras. So these are amazing to remove gum off of the interiors, off of if you have paint specks. It does really amazing. Obviously you can use this on the exterior as well. He also adds these tire plugs to put on your tires, which is a nice touch. He also adds these like smaller swaps, which a lot of you guys like them for like vents, little crevices. He has these more, these are the bigger ones. And then he has these right here, which I think they're for like your vents. I honestly don't know what these are for, but I think that's where I would use them. And then he has these like longer ones. And then he also adds some cotton swaps. And then on the other side is like more pointy. And then he has these more like pointy ones. So this kit has everything that I feel like a detailer would need. I know for myself, I would use this a lot. You guys maybe have seen it in some of the videos, but not all of them. But it'll do really well. I've kind of enjoyed these for all the intricate areas, like the steering wheel, kind of in between this steering wheel, just to get all the grime out. But these are really well. So again, shout out to Jay for sending me this kit. I have really enjoyed it. I'll post a link to it. Obviously now I've seen more kits like this come out on the market. His packaging is really nice, really beautiful, and I like it. So definitely go support another detailer out there. Thank you again for the gift. Kind of what I've been doing is when I see these interiors that have like a red, you know, or two styles of colors, I will only condition like the door panels, and it gives it that nice, like, it makes it pop. But the seats will stay neutral. We'll clean the seats, but that's about it. We won't put no dressing or anything like that on the seats. Now, you might be wondering, like, if a car is this clean, Carlos, is the price still the same, or do you change it? And to be honest, the price stays the same because we still have to touch everything in this vehicle and ensure that it's clean, right? So the price stays the same. What I will do is I'm gonna wash it really good, and I'm gonna apply a spray sealant on this one. I'm gonna put some Katiba or Kataba spray. I think it's a spray wax, the one I have. I forget, but we're gonna put some little protection on the exterior, you know, because I feel like it's the right thing to do when a vehicle is so clean. So, as a detailer, we have to also be honest with ourselves, you know. At times with like, bro, it's not dirty, what can I do? Well, just give them something extra. And honestly, it's a brand new car, so I feel like putting a nice spray protection on the paint, it'll do really well. But we're not gonna clay it, we're just gonna spray it on and buff it off, and we should be good. Sometimes you have to do this on the whole freaking seat. So the tip I can give you to removing these buildup from these seats is stick it in, twist it, pull it out, and it gets that grime off. Another thing you can do is you can kind of spread the seat a bit and blow it out. ...2024 is finally coming to an end, guys. 2024 is finally coming to an end. How do you feel about it? Do you feel happy? Do you feel sad? I know for me, I feel happy because the way I look at it is I got another opportunity at life, one more year at life, right? Did we meet all our goals? I will be very honest, no. We did not meet all our goals this year. But that's okay. That is a-okay, guys. Don't feel bad if you didn't um, meet your goals. It's all right. I think you should be more happy that you actually made it through the year alive with good health, I hope and I pray, right? I think that's the most important thing. Goals are amazing, don't get me wrong. But to me, I just want to go into the new year alive and well. So we should rejoice that we're alive. What's your New Year's resolution for 2025? Post them now. I'll give you guys a couple minutes. All right. Now that you posted your New Year's resolutions, I'll give you mine. For 2025, I would love to do more, what do you call that? When you go to like these events with other business owners and you kind of like talk to people and meet new people. I forgot what the name of it is, but I want to do more of those, right? Whenever there's events, I'd love to go. Second New Year's resolution is I want to eat less. So like on average, I can eat like 12 tacos. So I think for New Year's, I want to go to at least drop it down to 11 tacos. Just so it could be better for my health. So go from 12 tacos to 11. Don't worry, we're flipping the mitt over and we'll clean this door. And then we'll dip it back into the bucket. We're done with the wash process. We've gone ahead and turned off the ozone machine. Right now I'm just gonna dry the exterior, but quick tip, when mobile, the first thing I recommend you do is dry the glass. Dry your windows. That way you don't have any sort of water spotting. I feel like water spotting is tougher to remove off the glass than the paint. But I don't know what you guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. But the first thing I recommend you dry is your glass. And as promised, we're gonna give this client a little bit extra, right? The vehicle was really clean. We are gonna apply Kataba, which I gotta tell you, this one has been it's been one of my most favorite spray on, right? This is the ceramic spray. I really don't like to use a lot of it because, like I said, I love the labeling. I love everything about the product. Smells amazing. Gives you some amazing beading, right? Obviously, if you're looking for the best outcome on there, I would probably recommend you clay it. You do your whole process, right, to give it that true long-term durability. But I have really enjoyed this product, just to kind of give it that extra pop. But when this thing cures out, man, you get some amazing water behavior on the paint. The interior smells amazing. It looks like you don't smell that latte anymore. But this Kataba product smells truly amazing. All right, so before the client arrives and takes a look at her car, which hopefully I can show you, there's two things I recommend you do that you always do is, number one, we did an ozone treatment on this vehicle, so before you return the vehicle, make sure you roll the windows down just a little bit. Let some airflow go through the vehicle. That's going to ensure, obviously, for the fumes to gas out, and it won't be too strong for the client, right? But secondly is because if you're doing a lot of extractions, obviously you're putting a lot of moisture into the vehicle. If you do extraction and you leave the windows up, what you're going to create is you're going to recreate that moisture and that mildew smell. That's probably because, one, you really didn't extract the seats correctly. You left the seats very damp. So for that reason, you always want to make sure to roll the windows down. Are you ready?
Yes.
How'd you hear about me through? Because you reached out through Instagram, right?
Yeah, so I just moved here.
Oh, okay.
Like last year.
Oh.
And so I had a detailer in Louisiana, and I was like, I need a good detailer down here. So I messaged him, and he actually found your profile somehow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
In Louisiana.
Yeah.
Dang. What's his name?
Let me show you his profile.
Shout out to Louisiana. Check it out.
Oh yeah, it looks really good. Oh my god, it looks brand new. Yeah, okay, no smell.
We ended up doing an ozone treatment in it just to make sure that, you know, you don't smell it or anything like that. Since it does have the perforated seats, a lot of that latte kind of went into that, like the foam.
Right.
You might get like a lingering odor, but you shouldn't.
Okay.
That's what we did the ozone treatment for, is just to make sure that we can kind of eliminate a lot of the smell. But this thing is in amazing shape.
Okay, perfect.
On the exterior, since your interior wasn't bad, I went ahead and put like a spray sealant on here just to protect it for up to like 3 months.
Okay.
So let's check it around. I'll put everything back to where hopefully everything went.
Oh yeah, it looks amazing. Perfect.
And the only thing we conditioned was the door panels, and then everything else is neutral as far as the leather seats and all that.
That looks perfect. Okay, thank you so much.
All right, and that concludes today's video, guys. You're about to see a couple clips of the afters, right? Overall, this thing turned out really, really well. It was already in a amazing condition. We just kind of had to take care of a minor spill, right? But to kind of end this video, guys, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you guys for supporting my channel this 2024. I appreciate all the long time viewers, right? I appreciate you guys from day one, and to the new subscribers, and to those who haven't subscribed and you're kind of thinking about it, I appreciate you at least giving me the opportunity to come into your home, to your screen, and giving me some of your time. That's the most valuable thing, is time. So I truly just want to say thank you for taking the time to see some of my videos, right? 2025, truly one of my biggest dreams and biggest goals is I hope to have better content for you guys, and hope to I really want to hit 20,000 subscribers, or maybe 30,000. I don't know, right? But that's truly the dream, guys. So I hope you guys have an amazing new year. Please don't drink and drive. If you need to drink, have an Uber. Get a game plan going. The last thing you want is to end up going to jail, right? So you guys be safe out there. I hope to see you guys in 2025. As always, God bless you guys. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video.